Hi everyone. It's happy Holy Tuesday to each and everyone. I had my academic break effective yesterday. So ang goal ko this week is to catch up yung mga laking compliance ko with my master's degree, and at the same time syempre yung mga freelancing job ko. Then nag-start na siya ngayon kasi kahapon syempre pag first day ng bakasyon, declutter ng bahay, linis, then syempre yung mga matataas na labahin, ayun. Supposedly I'm so very excited sana, kaso lang it's been 2 hours na wala pa talaga akong nagawa. Syempre I had this laptop since ito yung unang investment ko as a government employee, and syempre napaka-importante sa akin yung mga data ko ba. Then it's been almost 5 years until na napaka-protective ko. I don't want it na nire-reset ganyan kasi sobrang ako dun sa mga dati kong files ba, and it seems na parang yun nga, kakaprotect ko nun sa mga dati kong files. Yun, napaka-slow ng laptop ko. Wala na akong nagawa. Ayun, so guess what? Ayun, ni-reset ko na siya. Ayan, so nakakalungkot. I'm now letting go of my files. Hindi na rin kasi siya kasya sa external drive ko kasi the files that I'm talking about are my raw shots, my raw photos, my raw videos na hindi ko pa na-upload, and I think there's no need for me to upload na kasi ang tagal na rin nun eh. Yung diba nakahiligan ko yung mag-vlog before, tapos ang ginagawa ko, take lang ako ng videos, tapos since di ko pa siya kayang ma-edit, nire-restore ko muna siya dito sa laptop ko, and I think kung i-edit ko pa yun, it's irrelevant. Ayun, so lessons learned. Though very busy tayo, syempre, at least we find time to exert things out. Ayun, ewan ko ba. Basta yung biggest ko ngayon is to let go na lang those who keep us on holding. Kasi if we're not going to let go, ayun, hindi na tayo magiging